Welcome, ChatGPT learners, to a new module focused on business and marketing. As we embark on this journey together, it's crucial to recognize that while you have already gained confidence in using ChatGPT through our previous lessons, this module aims to deepen your understanding. We are transitioning from practical exercises to exploring theoretical aspects, providing you with prompt examples and other valuable insights to enhance your ChatGPT experience. This lesson is particularly exciting as it unveils the multitude of ways ChatGPT can serve your business and marketing needs, from crafting compelling content to optimizing your online presence. In the realm of text editing, ChatGPT stands as a powerful ally. The ability to modify text according to specific prompts opens up a world of possibilities for refining your written material, whether it's adjusting the tone to suit different audiences, correcting grammatical errors, or enhancing the overall readability of your content. ChatGPT can transform a basic draft into a polished piece ready for publication. This feature is particularly useful for creating content that resonates with your target audience, ensuring your message is delivered clearly and effectively. Expanding on the capabilities of ChatGPT, various prompts can be employed to further refine your content. Imagine the potential of tailoring your social media posts to be more engaging or ensuring your blog articles to boost their visibility. It's search engine optimization. The key lies in understanding how to craft these prompts to elicit the desired response from ChatGPT, making your content not only relevant but also captivating to your audience. This aspect of ChatGPT's functionality is invaluable for marketers seeking to create content that stands out in a crowded digital landscape. Expanding further on the capabilities of ChatGPT, it's crucial to recognize the breadth of its functionality, especially in the context of text editing and content creation. ChatGPT isn't just a tool for generating text. It's a comprehensive assistant that can help refine and tailor your content to meet specific needs and objectives. Imagine having a personal editor at your fingertips, one that can adapt to various styles, tones, and requirements, all based on how you communicate your needs through prompts. For instance, consider the task of creating a press release or a product description. With ChatGPT, you can guide the creation process by specifying the tone, be it professional, conversational, or even whimsical. You can request the inclusion of specific keywords to enhance SEO, ensuring your content ranks higher on search engine result page. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist in expanding on a brief point to create a detailed explanation or in condensing a lengthy explanation into a concise summary, making your content more accessible and engaging. But the magic of ChatGPT doesn't stop there. Its application in business and marketing extends to brainstorming session facilitation, crafting responses to customer inquiries on social media. Each interaction with ChatGPT can be tailored to produce outcomes that align with your strategic goals, whether it's enhancing brand visibility, engaging with your audience more effectively, or generating creative solutions to marketing challenges. As we delve deeper into the capabilities of ChatGPT in this lesson, it's essential to approach it with a mindset of exploration and experimentation. The more specific and deliberate you are with your prompts, the more aligned the outcomes will be with your expectations. This level of customization makes ChatGPT not just a tool, but a dynamic partner in your content creation process, one that adapts to your unique requirements and assists in bringing your creative vision to life. Embrace the possibilities that ChatGPT offers and let it inspire innovation in your approach to business and marketing content creation. Delving into the nuances of copywriting and rewriting, it's essential to understand their distinct role in content creation. Copywriting is about crafting original content that persuades, and convinces your audience to take action, be it subscribing to a newsletter or making a purchase. It's an art that combines creativity with strategic thinking to produce content that not only engages but also converts. Copywriting, on the other hand, involves taking existing content and reworking it to meet new criteria or to improve its clarity and impact. This could involve changing the tone, structure, or style of the text while maintaining the core message. Both copywriting and rewriting are crucial skills in the digital marketing world, each serving a unique purpose in content strategy. In today's digital age, numerous online tools are available to assist in text editing and content creation. These tools, ranging from grammar checkers to style enhancers, offer various functionalities to refine your writing. They can be particularly useful for non-native English speakers or anyone looking to polish their content to a professional standard. While this lesson won't delve into the specifics of each tool, I encourage you to explore them on your own. Understanding how to leverage these tools effectively can significantly improve the quality of your content, making it more appealing to your audience. And so finally, I would like to talk about the critical aspect of content creation. Because in a world where information is readily accessible, ensuring your content is unique and free from plagiarism is paramount. Tools like plagiarism checkers can help verify the originality of your work, but it's also important to be mindful of copyright laws, especially when rewriting or adapting existing content. Being informed about the legalities in your country, such as Canada, can prevent potential legal issues and uphold the integrity of your content. If you live outside Canada, then you can check the legislation of the country you're in. As we conclude today's theoretical lesson, remember that the power of ChatGPT extends beyond simple text generation. Its ability to edit, refine, and optimize content makes it an invaluable tool in your business and marketing toolkit. Stay curious, explore the vast capabilities of ChatGPT, and continue to experiment with different prompts to unlock its full potential.